Hello,
Hi. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. What about you?
Day. I'm good. I'm a little hungry, a little
Uh-huh.
cold, but I'm good.
That's wonderful. So, would
And
you like to tell me a little about yourself?
oh, sure. I was just going to ask you the same.
Okay. L-
So I'll start and then you can go.
Yes.
Okay?
Mm, yes.
So my name is Bria. I
Mm-hmm.
am from the United States, but I live in Peru,
Right.
in Latin America, and I teach
Mm-hmm.
English online all day, every day.
Excellent. Excellent.
Yes, I teach adults, I teach children.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I am going. I also just got a puppy,
Wow, that's
so
cool.
yeah, it was not really by choice, but that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. As my mom would say, it's meant to be because we found this dog on the street, and now
Uh-huh.
he's doing so much better. He was that he was really dying on the street. So
Mm.
my friend and I took him, and now I have him. And now he's really becoming a puppy because he wants to eat all of my cords. Like he wants to eat my laptop charger, my
Ah,
shoes. So I'm watching him right now
okay. Right.
because
Right.
I cannot lose a laptop charger from a puppy. They're very expensive.
Yes, I agree with you.
Everything. So,
Right.
and
Right.
now tell me about yourself.
Yeah, before I tell you about myself, I have a question for you. That
Okay, what's your question?
how long have you been teaching English for?
I've been teaching English now for 3 years.
3 years.
Three,
And
yeah.
it's only online, right?
Yeah, only online because I work in Peru, so I earn better online than working
Mm-hmm.
at an institute here. I used to work at
Ah,
an institute here. I just get paid more online and I get treated
wow.
better online and it's less work for me online.
Yeah, it
Um,
is very convenient.
it's very convenient. I'm literally just waiting for people to call right now.
Right.
So,
I want to do something like that.
okay, so with English or with your own language?
Oh, I think that maybe not a lot of people are interested in learning my language, but
Really? Why not?
I don't know why, because you know that English is important everywhere and
Mm-hmm.
it's a lingua franca. You can communicate, interact with people all around the world using the same language, but it's not
Mm-hmm.
true for my language, that is Urdu.
Okay.
Yes.
And where are you from?
Yes, so let me introduce myself. My name is Sultan and I'm 35 years old. Originally, I'm from Pakistan, but I live in Saudi Arabia now.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay. And
yes.
in Saudi Arabia, what language do you speak?
I speak my own language and English.
In English.
Yeah.
Okay. And okay, so first of all,
Mhm.
do you want to become an English teacher in Saudi Arabia?
Uh, Actually, I am an English teacher in Saudi Arabia, and I have been living and teaching here for the last 3 years.
Ah, like me, but just a different place.
Yes, but I want to do it exactly like you because you teach English online, and I also want to teach online because
Why do you want to teach online? Because of
yeah,
the less work, more money?
Yes,
Because
and
Saudi Arabia is supposed to be pretty good money for English teachers.
yes, it is. But for native speakers, it is better. Like you can
Uh-huh.
earn more if you are a native speaker. But even me, I'm earning good amount of salary or money.
What do you earn, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, so I earn like around, should I convert it in dollars?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Because I looked at a job there, so I want to know what the difference
First,
is.
first tell me, let me ask you before I tell you that what's the normal salary over there for a teacher?
Here in Peru,
Mm-hmm.
because it's so cheap to live, it's very normal to go from 500 to 800 here as a teacher, dollars.
Sorry, five?
Uh, because in person, online, I make my own schedule. I work my own hours.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on me. It depends on how much I want to work. I end up working maybe 30 hours a week teaching,
I understand.
and I would say I make online, I probably make in those 30 hours $450 a week.
Uh-huh. Great.
So
But
pretty good.
I missed what you said for face-to-face teacher. What was that for a month?
Face to face per month is like 500 to like $800.
Ah, okay. So that's, I think, very low because what I get here, uh, face-to-face teaching, it's around $1,700 a month.
Wow. So you're making what I make online.
Yeah, but it's,
How much do you work a week?
5 days a week, but it's too hectic uh, because it's not. Maybe you know that in a school you don't only teach, but you also have a lot of work, paperwork, and then some duties like break duties and morning assembly duties and etc. So it's very
I
difficult.
will tell you from my transition to being in person to online,
Hmm.
the thing I have missed the most is being around other people
Yeah.
and really building my relations with my group classes.
Hmm.
Because I don't feel that way online. I I feel I can build one-on-one relations easy on Cambly,
Hmm.
but in my group classes on my other platform, it's very difficult because I work on a platform called Open English for children here in Latin America, and they get put in randomly every day to a different teacher
Right.
every day.
Right.
So I lose that connection with my students, with my colleagues,
Hmm.
that environment, but it is nice to be at home. It is nice to do your thing and get, I think personally, you would be making probably the same amount of money, maybe if not more, because you'd work different hours.
Hmm.
But I would look at your options because a lot of online platforms
Hmm.
are very, very particular
Right.
about where you're working and who you're working with. Because there
Right.
might be a great platform for you to be on in Saudi Arabia, an online platform
Mm. Yeah,
that you could.
yeah, I'll
Mhm.
I'll have to like look for it, search it. But uh, as a matter of fact, I am teaching on a platform that is called Ingo. Maybe you
I
have heard
love
of.
and do you like it?
Yeah, I am a tutor over there.
How's the pay? I use their materials all the time on Cambly.
Yes, yes, yes. So it's like it's just nothing because they pay only 1.4 US dollars for a 25 minutes session.
1.4.
Yes, yes.
Wow. I
I'm.
definitely believe you could get on Cambly with your accent, your certification, and everything. You could definitely probably be a tutor on Cambly and help a lot of people from like your side of the world actually like really advance themselves because you speak Hindu and not a lot of tutors do.
Uh-huh. Right, right, right.
And you
But
also have the
mhm,
pronunciation down like really good.
thank you so much.
Like really good. I couldn't even tell where you were from.
Thanks a lot. But you know that I applied for teaching on Cambly like
Uh-huh.
I think 8 months ago, but I haven't got uh, any response from
Did you
Cambly.
log back into your email?
Yes?
Did you use the same email as your student email on here?
No, from a
No.
different email. Yeah.
Interesting. Very interesting. Because like I feel like you're a like you're like a gem to have for a lot of people
Hmm.
because there are not a lot of you could teach people because a lot of people in India, Pakistan, and that region have a lot of issues with pronunciation once they learn English.
Right.
You could offer a program for that.
Mm, that's a
I,
good idea.
if I were you, I would do that. Honestly, like make your own app. Like that's a really good idea, and I've never seen anyone do that because people ask me from India all the time how to fix it, and I tell them the tongue. It's the
Right.
tongue.
Hmm.
And but that's I don't know that much more.
Hmm.
You've gone from student to teacher. You could do a whole lesson on how to change your pronunciation
Right.
in
Hmm.
English for a lot of people.
Yeah, that's quite interesting. I will
I
try.
think
Uh-huh.
I would. I would also look up other local
Platforms.
online Saudi schools, like Saudi institutes that are online
Mm-hmm.
if I were you, because they're going to pay you more. Because in the world of ESL,
Mm-hmm.
everyone knows China and or Asia and Saudi Arabia pay the most, but they know that they
Ah,
get paid that they get treated the worst, right? You have a
yes,
lot more work.
that's
Like,
right.
yeah,
That's a full truth, I must say.
yeah, yeah. I definitely
Complete.
think so. Yeah, the complete truth.
Yes.
Well,
But
so do you go on Cambly to practice then your
yes,
English
that's
still?
right. I wanna like practice my English and hone my language skills